Do not steal, do not kill, do not speak a lie, do not be angry with anyone, do not feel disgust for others, do not indulge in self-praise, do not humiliate anyone. This is your inward purity, this is your outward purity. This is the way to win the Lord Kola Sangama. These 7 commandments given by Basavanna are globally applicable to mankind. Today, living amidst strife, corruption, greed, selfishness, materialism, and many other ills that are coming in the way of simple, happy living. It is not the religion that we are supposed to follow, but a way of living that can be practiced to build a harmonious society. As you are all aware, Egyptian culture was evolved in the 12th century under the citizenship of Basavanna. In these days of their work, many social evils, inequality among people, different classes,